and then it should be presented in the form of a value, right? Because on the other side, it is just 1, 2, 3. It is not 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 2 like that.
Okay.
So you put this into value function, type value.
I'm not able to make sure about the bank account number. I checked in that formula.
So E027, go to the next sheet. How is the table looking there? Bank account is, so what formula have you applied till now?
Apply the same as designation and
copy the formula of designation, copy. Okay, change that data source.
This one, no?
Yes, go to V2 data, next sheet, select JKL, you have to click JKL, column number 3.
Yeah.
No, you have selected inside right function. That is not correct. You should select it outside right function.
Which
Escape.
one?
Right, you are selecting the range in the right function.
Okay.
It is inside the right function, which is wrong, right? Escape. Press escape from there. Press escape. Escape.
Actually, escape is not working in this system. So I'm deleting.
No, don't delete. Copy paste again.
1 second.
Because we need to see V2. Yes.
Can you please help me to write the formula here freshly?
No, because it will be lengthier, so it will be much easier in the bottom formula. Go to row number 5, column D. Go there.
Okay.
Row number 5. So remove the star and keep the right only. Remove star and also you can remove. So we need the last 3 characters and then it should be presented in the form of a value, right? Because on the other side, it is just 1, 2, 3. It is not 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 2 like that.
Okay.
So you put this into value function. Type value.
After VLOOKUP, no?
After VLOOKUP, before write value. Open bracket. Close it after the right bracket. Close it after 3. Close it after 3. Yeah. Close it here. No. You have to close the bracket here. Twice. 1 for right, 1 for value. Okay. And I think it is done. You just fix the range and the column number. Okay. Everything is fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can put G to H, change it to J to L, type it there itself, J and then up to L, and type column number 3. In place of 2, change it to 3. Press enter. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So what we have done, on one side it was only purely numbers. On the other side, it was having E as well as 0 to 7. We don't want E, we don't want 0. So we first said, okay, take me the last 3 digits.
So we removed the wildcard, that star.
Yes, wildcard is not working because it was not there on the other side. Okay. So we took the last 3 digits and then we converted them into numbers by using value function. And then it was able to match.
Got it.